So what are some built-in accessibility features in ETDRs? Uh, it's important to note that ETDRs have to be machine readable and human readable. So if there are searches that are conducted, all of the text has to be findable so that when people are conducting research, including ETDRs, they can find the works that are relevant to them. There's also built-in seriation or setting up of headings, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and so on, so that people can understand the importance of each piece of text by the type of text it is, right? So if we look at this preface header, it's a page heading. When we click on the first sentence, this is body text. So that shows a kind of hierarchy of information. All ETDRs as PDFs should be readable by screen readers. But one thing that students can do to make their ETDRs a little bit more accessible is to add alt text for their images. So if you have inserted an image into your dissertation, you can also right-click that image and edit the alt text. Alternate text has to do with the informational value of the particular visual. Now, some artificial intelligence is integrated in Microsoft Word, so we can say, go ahead and use AI and tell me what this is an image of. Well, that's maybe not quite enough, right? It says, hey, it's a map, and we're confident that it's a map. So what you want to say is maybe, so you have information in the caption that this is about the global prevalence of SARS-CoV-2 in mid-June 2020 from the World Health Organization. And of course, you would have lead up text to this map. You would have lead away text to it to add more information. But your alt text should be phrases that provide informational value. So perhaps, and I'm not going to go ahead and write this out, but you could, since this is a choropleth map, you could indicate certain hotspots in June 2020 in terms of this rolling pandemic. And so forth, right? And you could, explain areas where maybe there are very few cases, and so forth. Anyway, this is just one additional small piece to consider as you are creating your ETDR.